Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel GK Daily. Today is 21st of August and I have brought in all the important questions of 21st of August. I have taken in only the important questions from the perspective of any competitive exam. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Question number 1. Son, Sarbhaja and Sarpuria may be given GI tag. These sweets are from which state? So these sweets are from West Bengal. Speaking about Rasagula of West Bengal, Rasagula got GI tag in 2017. Rasagula of West Bengal was given the GI tag in 2017. Then Orissa objected to it. Orissa was then asked to present the facts related to Rasagula and prove that Rasagula was a traditional sweet there. After looking at the facts and evidence of Orissa in 2019, the Registrar of Geographical Indicators, Chennai, issued a certificate which read sweets as Orissa Rasagula under the law of geographical indication of goods. So we can say that Rasagula is a product of both Orissa and West Bengal. Now speaking of question number 2, which organization launched the Financial Inclusion Index to capture the extent of financial inclusion? So the organization to do that is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 3, World's Mosquito Day is celebrated on 20th of August. So we have a day for mosquito also. On this day, I feel we should donate blood to mosquitoes. Jokes apart, the theme of the World's Mosquito Day is reaching the zero malaria target. Moving on to question number 4, Wangchua festival is celebrated in which state of India? So it is celebrated in Assam. Now speaking of Wangchua festival, it is one of the most important celebrations in the life of the Tiwa tribe of Assam living in the hills because of its connection with agriculture, the mainstay of their economy. So the Tiwa tribe is mainly dependent on agriculture. Question number 5, a joint guidance for the Australia India Navy to Navy relationship document was signed between the Indian Navy and Royal Australian Navy on 18th of August 2021. I have discussed all the Navy, Air Force and military exercises in my previous videos. I shall provide the link of that video in the later part of this video. Now speaking of the current CNS Chief of Navy Staff, he is Admiral Karambir Singh, the 24th Navy Chief. He took over from Admiral Sunil Lamba, who retired on 31st of May 2019 after 4 decades of service from the Navy. Now moving on to question number 6. Every year, 20th of August is celebrated in India as Sadbhavana Divas. This is a very important day to remember in remembrance of late PM Rajiv Gandhi. Question number 7. The Konkan exercise between Indian Navy and which country's Navy is being organized in 2021? So Konkan exercise is always organized between Indian Navy and Britain's Navy. I have discussed about all this in detail in my previous sections. You can find the playlist in the Statics GK part. Moving on to question number 8. India, in collaboration with UN, has launched a tech platform for peacemakers named Unite Aware. Question number 9. The house that G built is authored by, so it is authored by Professor Dr. Survi Dahiya. Question number 10. Muhyiddin Yassin stepped down as Prime Minister of which country? So the answer to this question is Malaysia. Question number 11. With an aim to bolster Skill India mission, NSDC has partnered with Samsung. Now a few points regarding this. To support Samsung, DOST a CSR initiative that will promote skilling in electronics sector. Under this initiative, Samsung aims to train 50,000 youth to make them job ready for the electronics manufacturing and retail sectors over the next few years. Question number 12. Google and Facebook have joined hands to build a 12,000 kilometer long subsea cable aimed at expanding connectivity in, answer is, the Asia Pacific region. Question number 13. By which year Indian government is going to provide fortified rice to the poor through various schemes? So the projected year is 2024. Question number 14. On which day is observed as the Patriots Day in Manipur state in memory of those who laid down their lives in the Anglo-Manipur War which took place towards the end of the 19th century? So the date is 13th of August. That's all for today. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like my channel, give a like, subscribe and share my channel. The PDF of this video have been provided in the comment section as well as the description section.